We are at the train station in Fairbanks. So we're about to get on an Alaskan train and go sightseeing. We're going to go from Fairbanks down to Denali, the big national park.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be beautiful. So y'all come along with us and we'll show you what it looks like. Good morning. So at the train station, they have a miniature railroad set up. Check this out. Got the train going by.
Unfortunately, I've never won anything. Maybe they won.
Why don't you make me one of these at home when we get home?
Okay.
All right. She's gonna make me one when we get home.
Yeah, all right.
This is really nice.
Well, thank you. Thanks for sharing that.
Yeah, we'll share this on YouTube.
There you go. On YouTube.
Yeah.
Where you folks from?
Mississippi.
Mississippi. In my crooked letter.
That's it. The old crooked letter. Yes. All right, we are on the train. We have left the train yard. You can see the landscape out there. They got us in an old car. I think, didn't she say this car is from the 50s?
She said one of the oldest cars.
One of the oldest cars they got. We got a nice view. Well, look, we got plenty of room. Look here. We are stretched out, and we've got one friend we've made, Miss Jody over there. Hey, Miss Jody.
Hello.
And we've just been yakking, talking our heads off
And
while
she's
we're there.
saying,
Just have
shut up,
we're
so I
going
can
to
rest.
be keeping our eyes out for wildlife.
We're keeping
We
our
have
eyes
an
out for
excellent
wildlife.
system for viewing wildlife here on the railroad. Our engineers will radio back to me when they see something there at the front of the train, and I will let you know what we're seeing and where. We use the clock system, with 12 being at the front of the train, 3 being directly out to the right, 6 at the rear of the train, and 9 directly out to our left.
Now this car, it's a smaller car, but it's very comfortable. The seats are great, and there is an upstairs part to it that's not open, but more glass that's available to us. So we'll be going up there in a few minutes, and we'll get some views from up there. But for now, we're just going to enjoy the ride, so stay with us. All right, we are currently in the dome car, which we have access to with the tickets we bought, and this is fantastic. We're just on the upper deck. You can see it's almost all glass. So we're going to spend a lot of time up here. Look at the view. Beautiful. snack car and see what they got available to us down there.
I'll let you go first. Thank you. Train back. We just come
Yeah,
back
we'll
here.
ride back with you in a few minutes. A little while. Here in Denali, they have a couple of complimentary shuttles. One goes to Princess Lodge. That's the one that's pulled up now. I hear a helicopter taking off. I didn't know they had that there and that here. Not sure what it is, but I'll have to ask. I don't know if that was a medical or a tour or what. I'll have to ask what that is. But anyway, you got Princess Lodge. That's the one that's here now. And then, what was the one we said we're going to?
Savage River.
Savage River. That's the second one. And it came recommended. So we're going to wait on the Savage River shuttle and take it and try to find something to eat or something.
Restaurant right here.
That train ride coming up was absolutely stunning. So going back, we're going to sit on the other side of the train. Although we can see both sides coming up. So there's a little restaurant up there. Okay, so there is a little restaurant right here, but we want to see some more. We got 3.5, 4 hours here. So we're going to catch the free shuttle and go to Savage River. We boarded the Savage River bus.
We unboarded.
And then we unboarded because we found out it's just hiking and sightseeing and all that up there. We thought there was somewhere up there to go get something to eat, so we got right back off. So we're gonna eat right here at Denali. So we spent, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours here at Denali at the train station. There's some buses that'll take you in, different, there's so many things that you can go and do here. We were a little confused, but you know, about what we wanted to do. We ended up just staying here. We got some lunch. We went through the little shops they have here.
Well, they didn't exactly give us a great idea of how long. We only had a certain amount of time, and the bus would take you in, but they wasn't real sure if it was going to get back in time. We wasn't sure we'd get back in time, so we just stayed here. And they got a huge welcome center up there that has all kinds of stuff about the wildlife here, and we watched a video about the sled dogs. I mean, that was the best part of the stop, I think. Yeah.
So anyhow, so now we're back down here at the tracks. See the tracks over there, and the train should be here in the next 30 minutes. We're gonna hop on the train and we're gonna head back up to Fairbanks. So let's go. That was a 12-hour day. So 4 hours down, 4 hours there, then 4 hours back. Greatest train ride ever. It was so pretty, so pretty. So if you get up to Alaska, I'm not gonna say you have to, but we highly recommend train ride. Now this is mid-August. It's 8 o'clock at night. As you can see, the sun's still out bright. So they have almost 24 hours of sunshine right now. It'll get dark about 1 o'clock, maybe from 1 to 3, maybe 4,
like 1:30,
and then it's, you know, right back up. So but anyway, glad y'all came along with us today. We had a great time.